Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete all empty rows in Google Sheets. If you want to do it, first you need to select all data which you want to edit. So I select first 3 columns and then I need to go to data and I need to create a filter. So I select this one option. Now I click on the icon with a filter on the first column and I go to filter by condition. On default it is set to none, so we need to click on this list and from the options we need to select is empty. Then I click OK button, and how you see now we have here a list of all available empty rows. So we need to select them, we need to click right mouse button here, and we need to click on this one option, delete selected rows. So I click here, and now if you will click again on this filter and you will change the condition of the filter to none and you will click OK, you will see that empty rows have been successfully deleted. So how you see it really works? If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a fair problem.